Here we'll see how to add questions and answer keys using an Excel file. This file is created in MS Excel or Google Sheets as shown here. Simply enter the questions with options in the first column, making sure the question number matches the row number. Questions must be pure text. If you need images with some questions, you can add them later per question. Or use the PDF plus Excel method shown here. Add the answer keys in the second column as shown. Can add the subject name in the next column. This is used to generate subject-wise marks along with the totals. Next come the marks. If this is empty, by default 1 mark is given for a correct response and 0 for incorrect or no response. Can enter marks for correct answers like 4 in this case, and also enter negative marks for wrong answers after a comma like this. In case of more than one correct option, can also have partial marks which will be allotted for each correct response when the response does not completely match the key. A wide variety of question types are supported, like MCQ with single and multi-correct, numerical, subjective, coding questions, etc. These are set using the question codes column shown here. If the value is empty, then the question is assumed to be an MCQ with ABCD options. Please go through this list for all supported question types. For subjective questions, which can either have a text box or an image upload, the key is left empty and the code must be provided here. By default, the online exam is split into sections based on the subjects provided like this. You can create your own sections in the online exam using this column. Can also have sectional timing where each section will have its own individual timer by entering the time in minutes in brackets after the section name. Topic and difficulty levels can also be provided, which are visible in Student Analytics to go deeper into each subject. Difficulty has one of 3 levels: easy, medium or hard. Again, only the question and key columns are required, all others are optional. Once you're done adding this, just save as an Excel file and attach it when creating an exam as shown. That's it. Your questions are now imported into your exam portal and you can now conduct exams with them.